Hello and welcome back to the Voice of the Future, the Ello podcast. I'm your host Shanaz. In our last episode, we explored how Agentic Voice AI is elevating the guest experience in the hospitality industry. Today, we are moving into a sector where the stakes could not be higher: banking and finance. When it comes to our money, we often demand two things that feel contradictory: absolute ironclad security and instant frictionless convenience. Today we are discussing how Ello bridges the gap to create a smarter, safer financial experience. Back with us is Somalia, the digital marketing manager at Ello. Welcome back, Somalia.
It's great to be back, Shanaz. So, banking is an incredible space to talk about right now because in 2026, traditional phone banking is completely breaking down under the strain of customer expectations. Nobody wants to wait on hold for 20 minutes just to block a misplaced card or report an incorrect transaction.
You are so right. Banking apps are great, but when people have an urgent financial issue, they want to use their voice and speak to somebody. What is the core challenge that retail banks are facing today on the phone?
The core challenge is lead decay and resolution latency. When a customer calls about a home loan query or a suspicious charge, every second matters. Traditional call centers are bogged down by high call volumes and rigid IVR menus. By implementing Ello as a proprietary agentic voice solution, banks are completely eliminating the speed to lead gap. Ello can handle thousands of calls simultaneously, providing an immediate, reasoning-based conversation the moment the phone rings.
So in our previous episode, we talked about how Ello is different from the traditional chatbot because it has agency. So how does this agency or agentic logic work in the banking industry?
Traditional banking bots are just automated informational FAQs. They read you your balance, but that is about it. Ello features a true voice-to-action engine. It integrates directly with the bank's core enterprise CRMs and ERPs. This means Ello can actually execute complex multi-step tasks. For example, if a customer calls and says, "I lost my credit card," Ello doesn't just tell them the steps to block it. It verifies their identity using secure biometrics, pauses the card in the core banking system, initiates a replacement order, and sends a confirmation link via WhatsApp, all within a single natural conversation.
That sounds incredibly smooth, but it also brings up the biggest question every compliance officer is going to ask: security. How does Ello ensure that these transactions are secure and compliant with financial regulations?
So, security is built into the very architecture of Ello. The platform is fully SOC 2 and HIPAA compliant, meaning enterprise-grade safety standards. We use advanced voice biometrics for authentication, which analyzes unique vocal characteristics to verify the speaker. Furthermore, Ello operates within strict guardrails. It is tethered directly to the bank's verified knowledge base and compliance rules, meaning it cannot hallucinate or make up terms. It also monitors every call for compliance, ensuring that all regulatory disclosures are delivered perfectly every single time.
So how about the internal operations of the bank? We recently saw that Ello is helping in training and employee experiences. How does it help the financial institutions?
This is a major win that people don't often see from the outside. Banks have massive training and onboarding challenges because financial products change constantly. We have seen institutions implement Ello internally as an autonomous AI coach to train their human agents. It acts as a reasoning teammate, simulating complex customer objections and high-stress scenarios in a safe environment. This has allowed organizations to reduce their employee training times from around 10 days to almost 3. Delivering a 30% boost in operational efficiency once those agents go live.
Now that is a massive operational shift. You also mentioned that Ello learns over time. So how does that continuous improvement work in a highly regulated environment like a bank?
It comes down to our self-evolving architecture. Ello utilizes an autonomous learning loop. After it handles approximately 200 interactions, the platform analyzes the conversational data to identify common customer struggle points or areas where clarification is needed. It then rebuilds its own prompts to improve clarity and resolution speed. This optimization happens automatically without requiring developers to manually rewrite code or alter the core system logic, ensuring that the bank's automated outreach gets smarter every day.
Now talking about the Indian population, India has such a diverse banking population. It stretches right from tech-savvy urban people to the rural communities. How does Ello make sure that nobody is left behind.
So this is where Ello's linguistic flexibility becomes a true asset. While internal workflows might run in English, Ello natively supports over 30 different languages and various regional accents for customer-facing deployments. It understands code switching. So if a customer switches between Hindi and English mid-sentence while discussing a loan, Ello follows the conversation seamlessly. This allows banks to expand their reach into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, providing high-quality, localized financial services to millions of the population in their own preferred languages.
It sounds like Ello is proving that you don't have to sacrifice security to deliver fast and modern customer experience. Thank you, Somalia, for breaking down on how Agentic Voice is securing the future of banking.
Thank you, Shanaz. It's all about giving banks the power to turn every interaction into a secure, trusted conversation.
If you are a financial leader or operations executive looking to eliminate lead decay, boost your operational efficiency, and deliver a secure, localized voice experience, you have the answer already. Head over to getello.ai/in to book a free demo and see how our engine can integrate into your core banking stacks. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert commentary, deep dives, and transformational case studies. See you in the next one.